In this video, I documented my glow up journey and noted down all the things you have to do in order to achieve your glow up. So if you haven't subscribed, I used to post a lot of glow up videos and I believe I had a pretty good glow up. And I think many of my subscribers thought so too. So without further ado, let's get into it. So a little backstory here. In July 2023, I don't know what happened, but I looked at myself, saw the ugliest motherfucker alive. It's pretty harsh, but I don't remember getting to that point. I believe I was a pretty good looking kid back then when I was younger, and to look in the mirror to see this, I definitely had a glow down. So I decided it was time to change. I did some research in ways to maximize my looks and hairstyles that suited me best. And in no time, I was looking like this. Not bad at all. And in order to look like this, I'll lay you in on these 3 key essentials plus a little bonus tip on the end of the video. So stay tuned towards the end. Number 1, your face. Your face is 80% your looks. You could be wearing the drippiest outfit, but have your face look like this. And how you look is often much how people perceive you. So, a way to improve your face. There are 3 components: a sharper, more toned structure, clear skin, and hair that suits your face. In order to achieve a glow up, we'll need to apply face exercises like mooing, have a morning and night skin routine, and a hairstyle that suits your face best. Now let's take a look at this for example. I don't know what I was doing with my hair, but it made my face squared. Opting for a shorter middle part allowed my face to look elongated and have a slimmer outlook. Number 2, body matters. You cannot have a good face without losing some overall body fat. Body fat is one of the main causes of a glow down. Outfits also play a role in your glow up journey because they represent your character. So are you going to wear cheap quality clothes that get worn out after a couple of washes? Or are you going to opt for a better quality that shows you take care of yourself? How to dress better. Find an aesthetic that represents your character. Stick with it and add layers and accessories to make it pop. Lastly, workout. Working out allows you to fit into your clothes and have that fit look, even if you like to wear baggy. Number 3, your character. Personality goes a long way, and it can turn a shy guy to a charming gentleman. So how can one acquire such persona? We need to look at the fundamentals first. How's your posture? How do you sit, walk, stand still? How do you present yourself? Do you fidget? Perhaps look to the side when talking to people? All of this adds up and can make your image closed and hard to approach. So how can we fix this? Be an open book. Stand with a nice tall posture, smile, be confident in yourself, and don't fidget. And with all of these key points, you're bound to become unrecognizable. So that was the key things that helped me glow up, and it can help you as well. And if you're looking for more of an in-depth guide on how to glow up, I've got a free PDF checklist just for you when you sign up to my email list in the description below. So if you enjoyed this video and want to glow up, I'd really appreciate if you could support me. I'm Jaden Boy and I'll see you in the next video.